I have come to Apollo Hospital with my sister. She was diagnosed with avascular necrosis of her right hip due to prolonged steroid therapy. Shortly after that, we got to do some investigation in Bangladesh, and there she was diagnosed that she has APN. For better treatment, we have come to Chennai and consulted with Dr. Om Kannan sir via telemedicine. He suggested us to come here, and we have done a robotic hip replacement surgery of her.
We had this 26-year-old girl who came because of avascular necrosis of the hip joint. We have done a direct anterior, minimally invasive hip replacement for her. She was able to walk with a single crutch within a few days after surgery.
It is already her sixth day of her surgery. We have discharged 3 days back, and she is doing well with her walker. I think shortly she will able to walk without walker.
We also combined this with use of robotic technology. So we call it as a direct anterior robotic hip replacement. The robotic, in addition, allows excellent and accurate placement of the components. This will also ensure excellent longevity for this hip replacement for her.
এখানে ডাক্তার, নার্স এবং ফিজিওথেরাপিস্ট যারা ছিলেন সবাই আমাকে অনেক হেল্প করেছেন। অ্যান্ড এখানে আমার ডক্টর অরুণ খান্নান স্যার আমার রোবোটিক সার্জারিটা করেছেন, হিপ রিপ্লেসমেন্ট। আমি এখন আশা করছি আমি হাঁটতে পারবো। আমি আপাতত ওয়াকার দিয়ে হাঁটছি, অ্যান্ড স্যার বলেছেন সময়ের সাথে সাথে আমি ওয়াকার ছাড়াই নিজের পায়ে হাঁটতে পারবো।
As her brother, actually, I'm happy that I was able to come here and do the necessary steps, including the robotic surgery under our own cancer. And I hope it will be the best thing happened with us, that we have gone under the surgery under our own cancer and done the most advanced technology.
It is of particular note that this niche variety of procedure, which is direct anterior robotic hip replacement, we are the first center in Tamil Nadu and second overall in the country to adopt this, especially for the benefit of young patients requiring hip replacement surgery.
Definitely, I am thankful to all of the doctors, including Dr. Om Kannan sir. They all helped us, including all nurses and physiotherapists. They were also well behaved and everything. I am just happy.
Thanks to Apollo Hospital, thanks to Dr. Arun Kannan sir, and thanks to all the nurses and physiotherapists and all of them যারা যারা আমাকে হেল্প করেছেন।